Your teenage children don't want to fly with you this weekend. I'll be right back. It's Saturday, and you know what that means? Well, I don't know what it means for you, but insert thing here, that's what it means for you. For me, it means delivering value to you, my followers, my members, people just randomly clicking on this video. Welcome back. My name is Jawanza, and I'm here to make you a better person and a better pilot at the exact same time, because you are angry, you are upset, and you have gripes. And today, we will have a reading of aviation-related gripes so that you don't have to, and you can let them go into the atmosphere and get on with your day. You could be a better wife, you could be a better brother, you could be a much better neighbor, and overall, a much better pilot. Gripes, brought to you from my mind. Now here's a disclaimer. I may or may not agree with all of the things that are on this list. Some of you may know where I stand on some of this stuff, but just take it for what it is, and let's get through the gripes. The rents are too high. Talking about hangar prices. I want the right to repair my own products. I think we all want that. Manufacturers should supply overhaul manuals and stop making fasteners with proprietary heads. Yeah. Why am I still being tested on the use of NDBs? A regular A&P with training should be able to perform a pitot and transponder system check. Why are left turning traffic patterns standard, but it's right turns in a hold? Insurance is a scam. Don't be afraid of composite materials. This is where a little bit of learning comes in handy. You can read up about them, get a little bit more educated. Teach the kids that grass is a blast. Talking about landing on grass, operating out of grass strips and grass runways. That, you know, what we used to do with general aviation airplanes. If you want my airplane, buy it. Stop wasting your time and mine by being a tire kicker. Yep. Your teenage children don't want to fly with you this weekend. Got to pause for a helicopter flying overhead. What are helicopters? Like, what is their deal? Like, what are they good for? How do they work? I mean, it's kind of witchcraft the day after Halloween. Okay, that's gone. Okay. Why does that nut need a 10mm socket? Well, I guess I'll fly around for the next 10 years before I know the probable cause of that accident. Why do you still think women can't fly as well as men? Just gonna throw that out there. Don't let the fear of shock cooling ruin your enjoyment of the flight. Yeah. All wings should fold intentionally. Yeah. Why do you think that car 3 and part 23 are equivalent? Do some soul searching there. If you've never used a product, feel free to never comment your opinion of it. Wow, that one felt really good. I got that off my check. A go-around or missed approach is the plan. A landing is a pleasant surprise. Good. The impossible turn might still be impossible. We need more DPEs. It's currently an annual is not an excuse to skip a good pre-buy. Improving safety should cost less. $4,000 ADS-B installs. Why do you still have a negative view of experimental airplanes? We need to think about that. Teach the kids proper engine management and basic troubleshooting before their commercial check ride. Yeah, that'd be a good one. Damaging your naturally aspirated engine running over square is a myth. Let's see how far I get with that one. Regulations should be written for the everyday man and woman to understand. Stop using ADS-B for commercial purposes. Why can't all modern avionics use the same data protocols and just talk to each other? 2025, going into 2026, this is crazy. I hope that controller got his gold medal for being the fastest talker in the room.
Melbourne International, Airport, this information Yankee. Time 1453 Zulu, wind 08013, gust 20, visibility 8, sky conditions 2,400, few, ceiling 3,000 broken, 4,900 overcast, temperature 27.23, altimeter 3004. Expect ILS arriving and departing runway 9 left, 9 right, 5, approach being connected to parallel and converging runways. Use caution, bird activity in effect.
You think you could speak any faster?
Flight wise, initial contact, you have it, AC Yankee. Melbourne International.
Congratulations, buddy. There's no glory in soloing under 10 hours of total time. You know who you are. Stop complaining about it. You're going to be fine. Be safe. Just do what you got to do. Stop running out of gas. A list of gripes. I will put these gripes in the description, and you can go in and you can add your own in the comments, or you can talk about the gripes that I've just brought up today. And sometime in the future, we're going to do more gripes just to get it out so that you don't waste your time. You go out and enjoy a glorious day like this. Now, some of the stuff that's on this list might not pertain to you, might not even interest you, but it makes up a part of the story of what we're doing in general aviation and things that would make incremental changes, tiny, tiny changes to improve the overall product. We're talking about safety, we're talking about access, we're talking about pleasure and enjoyment. You got to enjoy your life, right? You got to enjoy the thing that you spend so much time learning how to do and then so much money staying involved in. So here's a list of my gripes. I wrote them down this morning. Let's see what you think down in the comments. Let's be respectful, of course, as always on this channel. If you're not, we're going to just boo you out of the room. It's just how we do things. But let this be a starting point for just having some of these discussions that I think could improve things over time. Now, if you're feeling really anxious about these gripes, or you have, a lot of energy behind some of the stuff that's in this list, let's talk about it. Talk to someone about it. Let's help each other out. Let's help you get off that anxiety train and get into an aviation space, an aviation mindset. I think it'd be really good for all of us to just kind of get on the same page, enjoy the same things, and help each other out. Now take a minute. Let's breathe. Let's listen to the birds chirping. It's 58 degrees in Savannah, Georgia. It was 125 degrees yesterday. This is nice. Deep breath. All right, gripes are dropped. Go have a great day. We'll catch you later.